What's up, guys? Today I'm going to install a backup camera in a 2006 Trailblazer. Let's do it. In a 2006 Trailblazer. Trailblazer. So first off, what we're going to do is just going to mount the actual camera on the plate. We're going to run the wire up through the little light, I think. And then we're going to get the signal from the reverse light. We're just going to run the wire and then pull the deck and hook everything up in the back after. So let's start doing that. So we got the wires through. Gonna run it around like that probably, or like this, up to here, across here, down here, all the way up to the deck. You gotta remove the tail light to see which wire is the reverse wire. So you get the two screws out here and here, here and there, and then you just pop it out. It will pop out from its clip. Okay, so I used my test light and I figured out that the middle green wire here is the backup light, the backup reverse lights. So we got to tap into that guy and that will send power to the camera and a signal to tell the deck when to turn the camera on. Alright, let's do that. So you pop this off by screwing off this piece off by screwing off this little guy from here and this one screw here, and then the rest is just held on with clips. You can pop off with one of these. I'm gonna tuck the wire through there, run it up. It's already ran up to the deck. We got the estimated length here. We're just gonna tape the wire up now so it can hide underneath the panels when we put it back together. So we got the ground hooked up there on this bolt, and that ran all the way up to the deck. And then we got our power spliced together here, and then we got our power run to here. The tail light, the green wire is the power. We're going to use one of these, a wire tap, to get power from the green one right there. And how you use this is you slide the new wire in to where there's the tab, like that, and then you clamp it on to the wire that you want to get power from. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so we got everything hooked up back here. All the wires ran on the side, up the side, hooked up to the tail light. Now we just got to pull the deck out and hook it up on the back of the deck. Let's do that. Okay, so you got to undo the electrical connection behind there and behind there, and then you can just pull this whole plastic piece out. Forgot about the lighter plugs. Gotta disconnect those too. A little screwdriver usually helps. There you go. Hooking up the wires in the back. Kind of short, so it's really hard actually. Because it's SV and it had to go on the trunk, so it like used up like an extra, I don't know, 4 feet of wire probably. So we just gotta plug it in and test it out basically. So I just passed the first test. There's the backup camera with the backup lines. Just turn the keys on and put it in reverse. Put it back in park, the screen switches back. Hit the brake, switch it in reverse, camera comes on again. Cool, we just gotta put everything back together now. Tight! Just gonna tape this up a bunch because it will be exposed to the elements, obviously. Final step, just put some wire cover on there so it can fold and it doesn't get damaged.
Yeah.